This is the Ogre from MadOgre.com, WeTheArm.com, and Base and Sports. And I have here a SIG P250 in 9mm, medium size, semi-automatic, 15 round magazine, tritium night sights, double action only trigger pull, which is very, very light and smooth. Very good trigger pull. Takedown is typical SIG. Captive recoil spring. Simple barrel. And this right here is the heart of the SIG P250 and what makes it so unique. The takedown lever is also a takedown pin. You pull that pin out, and you can pull out what is the heart of the firearm. You can see the serial number. This is the registered component. For all purposes, this is the firearm. You can replace the grips, the grip frame, with different sized grip frames, larger or smaller, longer, and that's kind of unique. What I also like about it is that you can get different kits to change calibers, which is very nice. But to put this back in, you've got a groove down here. You put that in there like that, and to get this part in with the trigger, pull the hammer back a little bit until that slides in, and then simply put the pin back into place in the down position like so. Lock that back, drop that. Good to go. Really simple, really clean. And what our friend Ben wants to know is, where is the carbine kit for this? And that's a good question. But overall, the SIG P250 feels good. It's easy to shoot accurately and well with, because it is an accurate pistol, and with a good trigger and good night sights, you're able to get a lot of that accuracy out of that gun. You can see the window in the frame where the serial number is visible through. Very good pistol from SIG. A very reasonable price, $6.99 is what we're retailing it for. Frame rail. The magazine well has, being a double stack mag, it's easy to load, but you also have these little detents on the side, so it's easy to pull the mag out if you need to, but it does drop free. So all in all, great pistol from SIG. If you have small hands, you can get the small frame, and it's just easy to shoot, real easy to pull back, so female shooters or sissy guys would have no problem with that. Overall, I give this an 8 out of 10. Cheers.